A decade-old machine reborn. This 2010 Honda City undergoes a complete restoration, turning back the clock to its former glory. From worn-out paint to a flawless new coat, every inch of this car was carefully prepped, primed, and painted to perfection. To achieve that mirror-like shine, our team meticulously polished every surface, making sure it gleams like new. To the result, a head-turning masterpiece that looks as fresh as the day it rolled off the showroom floor. Love car transformations? Subscribe to Krithi Car Care for more stunning restorations.
Hi, welcome to Krithi Car Care. This is Krishna. We have with us a 2010 model Honda City, which has come in for a repaint job. The car is due for FC in the coming year. This car has a few niggles here and there, small dents, and the paint has faded out with a lot of micro scratches on the car. Car will see a minor color change. We'll use a new 2024 Lunar Silver. The boys are already on the job, the tinkering job is on. You can have a look at the car as to how it looked and then how it is going to turn out. Manufactured car. The Honda was offering Albastian Silver as the standard color then. I hope I got the name right. However, the customer wanted slightly different shade and the newer shade of silver which is being offered by Honda. Here Lunar Silver was selected. This is the latest silver that is being offered by Honda as an OE color. So we went with this standard formulation and you can see how the car has turned out in this. As I mentioned earlier regarding the additional steps of sanding that is required for silvers, not only that, when you spray the base coat, you will need to thoroughly inspect the panels once the base coat dries to ensure that there are no any residual marks again. If you need to get the silver paint job right, you will actually need a lot more time compared to other colors. So for silvers, though the color may look simple, but the effort that goes behind the scenes to get it right is a lot. Had terrible glue residue on the car, so we had to scrape them out and get rid of the glue residue. And to protect the clear coat and the shine that has been obtained with the new paint job, ceramic coating was done to the paint work on this particular car. Any requirement for your car with respect to paint, body shop work, wheel care, servicing, detailing, you can always reach out to the numbers mentioned on the screen. Keep watching our channel for more interesting videos. Do subscribe, like and share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.